I've got this friend. We all call him Big Mike. This is his dad's BMW Cabrio. They bought this ride back in 2003 for over 40 grand. And to this day, I've never seen that money again. Now he's rolling up to me with this car, wants me to fix the whole thing up, and he even had the nerve to act like it's a favor. He insisted I give him the full car mod experience. But to be honest, this car doesn't look like it's worth the effort. And somehow, the money still disappeared. So I decided to hit him with a surprise. We're doing this my way, full custom mod. First step, tear the whole car down. Add some floor-to-roof recording gear, so I can look back and laugh at all this when I retire. It makes the whole thing feel more meaningful. This is a 2003 BMW 3 Series, chassis number 146, fully stripped and cleaned. Perfect 50/50ths weight distribution. That's why it handles like a dream. But I've got some tricks up my sleeve too. Sometimes chaos just works. Trust the process. No co-pilots. I ride solo. As for the car's structure, we've completely taken it apart. Now it's time to show off my parts collection. You might want to throw on some sunglasses for this. Some people say I'm over the top. But hey, rebels do things their own way. Next up, let's give this little ride a major glow-up. Time to make it way cooler. These are the moments I live for. After nearly 9 months of trial and error, this car's finally starting to look pretty slick. Now, I'll see if I can get it to actually move. Just something basic for now. Then I'll spray it in that signature green he likes. Have we transferred the components yet? Anyway, I'm still making sure it can handle simple movement. To give it enough juice, I hooked up 5 car batteries. That's what powers it. This here is my control cockpit. Using this lever, there are also buttons that control every function of the car. They're all old-school physical buttons. Push up to activate a function. Pull it down to turn it off. Yeah, it's not exactly high-tech. Now, the front of the car is running under this VR for setup. And honestly, it drives pretty safely. Thanks to support from System 14360, it now connects straight to my VR headset. I sit inside the cockpit, and I can see the entire outside world in full 360. Alright, let's test it out. Let me show you how it feels. This green button, it's got real power. Using the panoramic cam, VR goggles, and film overlays, you can check everything around. I'm in a safe position now. Time to show you what this green button is really made of.